Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video. After the training is completed, now we will move to step 4 of OD Hub training process, which is evaluation and testing. Click on Move on to Evaluation and Report. Here, we can evaluate all previously trained models for this project by graphical representation and the result summary. All information is represented just like a report. After choosing the desired model, click on Export selected experiment model for later deployment. The exported model will be saved in the Training Datasets folder. Click Yes, and the system will go to the model testing phase. With OD Hub, you can easily test your trained model's inference and accuracy using 3 methods. First is by using images that are extracted from the training dataset. Second is to use other sources of images. Or you can test your model using an integrated webcam if available. Now I will test with current project images first. Detected objects will be listed in the result table, including their label, position, and accuracy. So my testing result is quite accurate, but not all objects are detected. This will depend on how well you train your model. Now I will test with another source of images. You can download more images on the internet and upload them into the software. So the result is acceptable. Now I will see how the trained model works in real time using an integrated webcam. I will test with 3 cases, with mask, without mask, and mask squared incorrect. So after testing with webcam, we can see that the trained model works quite well with 80% to 100% accuracy score, and inference takes about 0.2 seconds. My current threshold is 0.6, which means if the score is greater than this value, the object is defined. The score value depends on each frame and video's quality. You can adjust the threshold value and label size for your convenience. So now the evaluation and testing steps have been completed. In the next video, I will show you how to deploy this model into LabVIEW application. Thank you for watching.